Hello everybody, I want to welcome you to our new channel, Fil-Am Kuya's Fishing. This is my brother, Kuya Julie, J-U-L-L-Y. He's my fishing partner. We have this boat and he's the captain, Captain Julie, and we have our fishing poles, and Captain Julie uses a different way to fish. Where's your fishing pole, your fishing gear? Yeah, tell him to show, he can show the camera how he does this. And he sits out there and you do this and he catches all the fish. But we're going to do the channel in Tagalog and English, and Rochelle's going to be our translator, right? Sound good? Kuya Julie speaks only Tagalog, and so he won't really be able to speak with me directly, but we can speak through beautiful Rochelle, okay? He's a great fisherman, out all day, all night, and we're about ready to go out again. So welcome to our new channel, Fil-Am. That's Phil, F-I-L-am, A-M, what is it? Fil-Am Kuya's Fishing. Okay, welcome to our new channel over there, guys. Subscribe. We're going to show our fishing adventures. We're going to have a great time. So come along with us today. We're going to go fishing. Ready? Let's go. Made this up for me yesterday. Look at all the hooks. Each one of those colors, ribbons, represent one hook. I don't know how many hours it took him to do that, but he made that up for me. So now he's going to teach me how to catch the fish. This morning they caught a lot of fish, all about this big each, a couple kilos. And so this is my day for learning, and I want to welcome Yeah, I'm left-handed, so I have to okay, like that. Ask him how many hooks are in there. 120? Oh my god.
So you want to try it now?
Okay, I'll try it now. Okay. Okay, now I got the hang of it. Cano fishing, Filipino style. $120 hooks, my God, that's a lot of hooks. Okay, so it looks like I'm getting the hang of it now. So we'll turn the camera back on when I got all the hooks are in the water. Okay. Okay guys, we've got all the hooks in, 120 hooks, right Kuya? 120 hooks. And then you attach another line and go down another 20 meters, and you sit here and you just do this, right Kuya? Just, you?
Okay.
Okay, just like that. I guess this morning the whale sharks were all over the place here, and every time he was getting fish on, they would come over and steal his fish on him. So I wish I were here this morning with the camera to get the whale sharks.
Explain how they will find if they have fish in there.
Oh, because when the lighter fish, the smaller fish hit this, they're actually going to swim upwards, so it's going to feel lighter. Like right now, it feels, you can feel the weight on the bottom. But when the fish hit, the little ones, it's going to feel much lighter. Now when the larger fish hit, obviously they want to go deeper. Like the fish I showed you yesterday, the blue fish, they're going to go deeper, so you're going to feel a tug, and you're going to have to hang on to the line when you get one of those on. So we're just going to sit here, and I tell you what, this is going to give the old rotator cuff and the labrum a hell of a workout. These guys will sit here and do this for hours. And Shell, if you want to show them, we're attached to like 6 other guys here. Oh, then after we get done here, my training session right now, this is the first time I've done this, we'll go trolling for some yellowfin tuna after we do this for about an hour. I'm one of these guys where if I don't produce fish in a half hour to an hour, that's when it's time for me to move on to a different spot. But Filipinos seem to, you know, they have their spots, and they stick it out for hours in the same spot doing this. Man, my shoulders already wore out. Okay guys, we'll talk to you soon. Thanks for joining us.
Bye-bye.